What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is one of my bite-sized videos and it's for my Tech Tuesday series. So today I am on my last item which I bought on the Black Friday sales, and that is this tile tracker. So this is the Tile Mate tracker, and I've never had one of these before, never used one of these before, so this is going to be a first. And apparently Apple are coming out with their own tile tracker competitors product, so I'm really looking forward to that. So you can be sure that when those tile trackers come out from Apple, I will definitely be getting one. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up icon if you like this video and you'd like to see more. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family as well, and I'd love to hear what you guys think. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to have a look at it. I've never used one before. I plan on attaching this to an item which could possibly get lost, which I don't want it to get lost, such as my car keys. I already have something similar attached to right now, which is a product from Nonda Zeus. It doesn't work so well. I really wanted it to, and I really liked it, but just doesn't work so well. So I thought it's about time I go with a big brand name product. These roughly go for like 20 odd pounds on like retail price. And I managed to find it in one shop in central London, and this was the last one left on the shelf for £9.74. So that was less than half the price of the retail, and I think that was a really good deal. So as Black Friday goes, this was really good. I'm really glad I got this. So let's unpack this, let's have a look at it, and let's see how it goes. So guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up icon if you like this video and you want to see more. And I hope you guys are enjoying these Tech Tuesday videos too.